Hello, today I'll be playing Don't Press the Button 4. So, yeah, right now it seems I'm done. What? On your marks. 3, 2, 1, go. Get the ramp. Why is everyone so slow? I think I'm winning. I mean, I kind of sped up when I touched the ramp. Come on. Did I, not hit that? Give me a boost. Come on. Oh, they've already been made. Okay. So I just have to touch the ones that... Oh no, he took that one. Okay, well, I'm gonna come second. This is a shop. I don't know. I did it. Easy. What the? That is cursed. Look at the dinosaur. Ah, it's so slow. There we go. Coins. 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 Her to the ground. Okay. To the ground, to the ground, to the ground. Come on. Let's just keep going. Okay. I got here. Praise the magical button. Ah! Wait, what? Oh, they all... don't get caught. Oh, okay. Just... Is that police? No, he's... If he locks onto you... Oh, gosh. I mean, he's not that fast. How do you free people? Free! Get freed! Wait a second, how did it... Oh, there... Nope! Oh! I got caught. Avoid boulders. Okay, I got this. I'm in my prison outfit. This is the way that I avoid boulders. You know, the prison training is really hard. We have to train for prison by avoiding boulders. It's a very high security prison. Oh. Wait, how? Not even gonna ask. Wait, I just did. Okay, well. Yeah, this is a strict prison. Get to the top. This is another prison trial that we do here at, I don't know, prison. I made it. Oh, here. Oh, that guy can fly. Here's a rainbow carpet. Where do you get that? Oh, here it is. 5,000. Wow. I wonder what happens if, the lava rise. I mean, wait, what? Did this person just... The prison trials are getting harder. But I think I can keep going. I'm prisoner number 26612790. See, this is prison trial number 3. Just gotta stay away from the giant lasers that are here for some reason. I don't know why they're here. They're getting closer. How do you survive? This guy, how did he... How? Maybe he used the magic carpet. Oh, I'm not a prisoner anymore. I'm free. I'm free. Avoid the rockets. What? Oh. Ah. Still doing prison trials, even though I'm not a prisoner. Oh my gosh, look at all the rockets. Pew, 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 pew. Oh, look at this guy. There's some guy flying, some guy there, and some guy there. This guy just died. I think. Just these 3. They're just gonna... No, 4. Just avoiding all the rockets. They'll never get hit. We learned this in school. Don't get hit by giant flying rockets. It was a hard class. Many of the students died. But, It was worth it. Look at all the rockets just go away. Leaf up. Okay. Nothing's breaking and I can't jump. Okay, you can't jump. I almost just lagged to death. Yes! Let's go. First one to grab the shape that is asked. Okay. What shape is asked? Find a green wedge. Wait. What? Does that guy have a gun? Bright red ball, bright red ball. Find pink circle. I'm looking. Where's the pink circle? Is it like... Oh, here. Yes. Easy. I'm safe. Ha. You all suck. Another person. Welcome. See, this is like... I don't know... torture. We just have to watch this guy with the laser gun suffer. He just killed me. Are you? Science, where? Go. No. So close. Find the dark blue cylinder. Dark blue. That guy. Find a Bloxy Cola to survive. Bloxy Cola. Here. Bloxy Cola. Mine. Yes. Survive. I'm drinking. Just gotta keep drinking. Just keep drinking. Reach the end. Only one is... What? Only one bridge is... Oh, easy. Oh, come on. Well, GG. Come on, spam the button. Spam it. Spam it. Grapple hook, boombox, and VIP. This is a hairdryer. Push player. Oh! Slow down your enemies. Jetpack. Laser gun. Yeah, that's where it is. And the bomb. Drink to heal full HP. Drink this to become small. Lay on the ground to slip. Flex with their money throw. I want either this or this. I think the 1,000 is a better price. What's happening? Okay. I just got to the other side. Boom. So they just have to all be blue. Let's just make them all blue. No, stay away. Wait, I'm blue. Wait. What? Give me all the balls. Yeah. Nope. We got all the balls. Oh no. Oh no. Please, I'm your teammate, sir. Do not shoot me with the laser gun. We're taking this. I'm sorry, but this is my property now. Just gonna. No. Wrong side. Teammate, you're my teammate. Wrong side. Yeah. Click. Did I get it? I think so. Oh, okay. This person can fly. Oh, it's just. Oh, come on. Jetpack. Wait, 800? It's not that much, is it? Going. Excuse me, but it's only for 1,000 coins, not. What? It's not 500 Robux. Huh? Join the group for a bigger reward. Grapple hook, VIP gamer, and boombox music. Hot. Oops. Oh wait, that's where the contest is. Reach the end one. Register. More of that. Click the button. Everyone's waiting now. Tsunami, okay. Get up, get up, get up, get up. Get up, get up, get up. That was close. Get up, get up. Come on, come on. Watch out, watch out! What was that? What? Huh? What? What? Did I just get like something thrown at me? Oh my gosh. The tsunami came with 5 people. You can't hide. Wait, how is that? Does that person have God mode or something? What? How they? I don't even know. Maybe they got like a. What? Okay, I'm tiny now. Oh my gosh, I can jump really high. Guys, you can jump really high. Did you know that? Whee! Why is this? There's only one guy that's big. No. Stay in the middle. No, wait, what? Huh? What the? Did I do it? No. Seems like the button just exploded. It's like Crossy Road. Back in my day, I was the best Crossy Road. The best Crossy Road player you've ever seen. Already? The best Crossy Road player you've ever seen. Played it all the time. Easy. Easy. Everyone knows what's up. So easy. Are these people cheating with balloons? Grab the most amount of candy. What? Where is the candy? Huh? With these? Where? I think I'm gonna get eliminated because I don't know what it means by candy. Where's the candy? Is that candy? What? I don't know what it means. Oh, candy. I got chocolate bar. Okay. Cake. No, tiny person. Nothing against tiny people. I just didn't want cake. No. Mine. Come on. Yes. No. I don't even know. Oh, donuts. Oh. Come on. Yes. Get that. 4 or 5. Why are you even trying to go fast? Yes, I won. I thought I was gonna lose. Easy. Too good. Oh no. This doesn't seem good. Oh. The first one to press the... Okay, just find a button. So it's just to find a button.